Well, I suppose curiosity kills the cat. I do know where I am, thanks to Spider telling me. And then I decided to try to find the back fence. And Zebin Walker and I found it. And I see a utility pole. So, stupid greenbrier. So, I am going to go over here. If I can get through this crap. God, I hate greenbrier. Look at this stuff. I could just get past it and walk over there. Let's see. Maybe I can go this way. Oh yeah, there's a clearing over there. Look. I can probably duck under that branch. I don't know that I'm cutting trails here, but curiosity, I just want to see what's up. So, duck under this thing. Try to get these stupid brambles out of my way. Look at the dumb things. Okay, guys, out of my way. I do have on a hat, but it is falling off. Let's see. Ugh. There. Let me pull this out of my way. Step on that part. I did just have a spinal tap on Tuesday, this is Thursday, to see if it will improve my balance, which is F. So, this is good practice, eh? Maybe I should be marking my way, but this, I tell you what, this phone app thing is super marvelous, fragilistic. Look at all this lovely woods back here. And look there. Is that creek? Bet it is. Maybe not. I don't know. Well, this is pretty back in here. Don't know. I'll have to go back to that map thing and find out exactly what's up, but I think I'm on the northwest corner, and the property owner back there ran a barbed wire fence across the very back. I'm going to switch over to the map app and see where I am. Well, my last video, apparently I didn't do too great of a job pushing the button because I didn't record any of the last part. But anyway, now I'm back to where they cut that trail. Look at these. These are the best looking some of these I've ever seen. Anyway, okay, so I'll go back now. I cut off the trail in order to go back and try to find the back fence, and then I cut through the woods over there, which is the part y'all didn't see. There was a big rabbit ran around, and anyway, so now I'll go back to where the DR is and see if they cut any further or if that is where they stopped. Yeah, that is the woods I was in a couple of days ago. I found the trail in, but I didn't go to the right. I went straight and I couldn't find my way anywhere. So I turned around and went back. There's the DR again. So that's the southern boundary. And I don't know if I got to the creek before that video cut off or not. There's a creek over there on the west side, and our property goes a little ways on the other side of the creek, but probably not worth climbing over the creek to get there. And looks like they drove down here and stopped here. Trying to decide what I want to do next. Do I want to have them cut a little spot there and leave a bench there, or maybe I should probably put a bench in the woods where it's cool. Okay, heading back now. If you missed the first part, here it is, backwards. Yeah, if I just would have walked a few more feet the other day, I would have found this trail. Jeez. And I actually did cut through right in here somewhere, because I remember seeing this. There's thistles. Yeah, I remember this old pipe. So long ago. I remember walking back that way. Ah, yeah, look at that. We're right by where the tank batteries are. I do believe. Is that the tank batteries? I think so. Okay. All right. So, there you go. Now we're doing it in reverse. Where do I want to put a bench in this part of the woods? It's very nice in here. I really like it. Look how nice it is. I mean, it is a little full of dead branches, which was a problem I had trying to get through it the other day. But let's clear out a little bit of that. And make a little spot for a bench in here. Will be good. Okay, I am going to mark this right here. Is this yellow? Yeah. Oh, okay. I got to shut this video off. Anyway, that was that. Okay, goodbye. Oh, okay. So now I'm at the creek again. So that's why I'm seeing pink on this side. All right. So here is where we're already past where they stopped yesterday. So this is the next thing they're going to do. Is cross this creek. We went over there today. Trying to see where we might have crossed. Oh, I think it's over there. Oh, yeah, I think so. Let me look. Oh, yeah, okay. So this is where we crossed the creek. And we went up over there. Wow. Looks like they kind of already marked a little bit of a way over there. So the next thing, they're going to go over in that side and make a big loop out there. When I got over there, I was completely turned around and had to use my phone to figure out which direction I was going. Anyway, okay, that was today. They'll be back whenever